Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Are you curious to know about branchny.com? Watch the video till the end because we are going to share unbiased review with you. So by then you will be able to know either this is a legit or a scam store. It is actually a newly launched online portal. Comes with the range of products you will often need at your house or business. The type of product that are available on this online portal are related to your kitchen, your house. Like you can find toys for your kids, and you can have different products. So let's check out the detail. It was created on 9th July 2021. It will updated on 21st July 2021, and it will expire on 9th July 2022. Like it was created for just 1 year. On their official portal they have mentioned that their official address and contact number. As far as email address is concerned, they have mentioned the email ID. So for order processing it takes 1 to 2 days, and for shipping it needs 15 to 30 days, and you can return the product within 5 to 7 days. The positive point of Branchny are as a buyer you can shop varied accessories and equipment. The company offers custom design and advanced products. It is SSL secured website. Buyers can return the product if they are not satisfied with it and can get its refund within 5 to 7 business days. Moreover, the company acquires products from top ranked business houses, manufacturers and suppliers. The negative point of Branchny are it is newly developed website. Its trust score is just 1%. Social media icons are present on the portal, but these are not connected to the store. We did not find customer reviews on any recognized online site. So the question is maybe in your mind, like Branchny is legit or a scam. So as an online shopper you must check out the credibility of any site. So for this we are helping you that it is newly created website registered on 9th July 2021. It is 29 days old website. Moreover, its trust score is extremely poor, that is just 1%. But the customer owner's details are hidden on the site, which is not a positive sign. So we can say that as it is newly created website and due to its absence of authentic reviews, we suggest our viewers to do your own research before shopping. On the other hand, we are not recommending you to shop from such store which is not having customer reviews, social media absence and newly created store. And if anyone of you having experience of shopping from this store, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you.